Imagine waking up not to a blaring alarm, but to the gentle glow of your bedroom lights slowly brightening, mimicking a natural sunrise. The curtains glide open automatically, revealing the morning sky. As you step out of bed, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, made just the way you like it. Your favorite morning news playlist starts softly in the background, and a calm voice informs you about the day's weather, your schedule, and the current traffic on your route to work. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the reality of living in a fully autonomous smart home powered by a central AI brain. Welcome to the future of residential living. We've moved far beyond simple smart speakers and app-controlled light bulbs. Today, we're talking about a completely integrated ecosystem where every device, every system, and every appliance works in perfect harmony, orchestrated by a powerful artificial intelligence. This AI isn't just following commands. It's learning, predicting, and adapting to your lifestyle, creating an environment that's not just smart, but truly intelligent. So, what exactly is this AI brain? Think of it as the central nervous system of your home. It connects to everything: your lighting, climate control, security systems, entertainment devices, kitchen appliances, and even your window shades and sprinkler system. It uses a sophisticated network of sensors and IoT devices to collect data in real. But the magic happens with machine learning. The AI analyzes your habits, your preferences, and even your moods. It learns when you like the house to be warm or cool, what kind of lighting you prefer for reading versus watching a movie, and what time you usually leave for work. Let's dive deeper into how this transforms daily life. Take energy efficiency. For instance, a traditional smart thermostat lets you set a schedule, but an AI-powered home does so much more. It monitors weather forecasts, learns the thermal properties of your house, and understands when rooms are occupied. It can preemptively cool the house during off-peak energy hours to save you money, or automatically close the blinds on a hot afternoon to reduce the load on the air conditioning. It's not just automation, it's optimization. Over time, the AI fine-tunes its strategy to achieve maximum comfort with minimal energy consumption, slashing your utility bills without you lifting a finger. Now, let's talk about security. An AI-driven security system is a quantum leap beyond traditional alarms. It uses advanced facial recognition to distinguish between family members, guests, and unknown individuals. It can detect unusual activity, like a package being delivered or a car lingering too long in your driveway, and send you an intelligent alert with video footage. If you're away on vacation, the AI can simulate occupancy by turning lights on and off, playing music, and opening and closing blinds at random, natural-looking intervals, creating a powerful deterrent for potential intruders. It can even detect a water leak or a potential fire hazard before it becomes a disaster, automatically shutting off the main water or gas line and alerting emergency services. This isn't just about security, it's about complete peace of mind. The convenience factor is where these homes truly shine. The AI brain acts as the ultimate personal assistant. Imagine you're cooking dinner. You can simply say, "House, preheat the oven to 400 degrees and dim the kitchen lights." The AI understands and executes. It can manage your grocery list by communicating with your smart fridge, which knows when you're running low on milk or eggs, and even place an order for you. It learns your entertainment preferences, suggesting movies on a Friday night based on what you've enjoyed in the past, and automatically creating the perfect home theater atmosphere by lowering the lights and closing the shades. The system's ability to manage daily routines is a game changer for busy families. It can create personalized morning routines for each family member. For the kids, it might mean a fun wake-up song and a reminder to brush their teeth. For you, it might be that perfect coffee and a rundown of your calendar. In the evening, a goodnight command can initiate a house-wide shutdown sequence, locking all doors, turning off lights, adjusting the thermostat for sleep, and arming the security system. It streamlines your life, giving you back your most valuable resource, time. But what about the technology behind it all? This level of integration is powered by the Internet of Things, or every smart device in the home is a data point. The AI brain processes this massive stream of information using machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and make predictive decisions. This is where the concept of a self-learning ecosystem comes in. Your home gets smarter every day. If you consistently turn up the temperature at 9 p.m., the AI will learn this preference and start doing it for you. If you always watch a certain show on Tuesdays, it might have it queued up and ready to go. It's a dynamic, evolving partnership between you and your living space. Let's consider health and wellness. An AI-powered home can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Air purifiers can be intelligently managed based on real-time air quality data, both inside and outside. The home's lighting system can be programmed to follow a circadian rhythm, using bluer, more energizing light during the day and warmer, sleep-promoting light in the evening to improve your sleep quality. The AI can even integrate with your fitness trackers, perhaps suggesting a calming environment after a stressful day or an energizing playlist when it detects you're about to work out. One of the most exciting aspects is predictive maintenance. We all know the frustration of an appliance breaking down unexpectedly. An AI-powered home monitors the performance of your HVAC system, your washing machine, your refrigerator, and more. It can detect subtle changes in performance, an unusual vibration, a slight increase in energy use that signal a potential problem. It can then alert you that a specific component is nearing the end of its life and even schedule a service appointment with a qualified technician before a breakdown ever occurs. This proactive approach saves you money on emergency repairs and extends the lifespan of your expensive appliances. Of course, with all this data being collected, privacy and security are paramount. Reputable autonomous home systems are built on a foundation of robust end-to-end encryption. The user is in control. You decide what data is shared and how it's used. The AI brain is designed to operate locally within your home as much as possible, minimizing reliance on external cloud servers for critical functions. The goal is to create a secure, private sanctuary where technology serves you, not the other way around. So, is this future accessible to everyone? While high-end, Fully integrated systems represent the peak of luxury living today. The technology is rapidly becoming more mainstream. The principles of AI and machine learning are trickling down into more affordable, modular products. You might start with an intelligent thermostat and a few smart lights, and gradually build out your ecosystem over time. The key is to choose devices that can communicate with each other, often through a central hub or platform. The dream of an autonomous home is becoming more attainable every year. Living with an AI brain is about creating a responsive, intuitive, and deeply personalized environment. It's about offloading the mental burden of managing a household and freeing yourself to focus on what truly matters. Spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or simply relaxing in a home that anticipates your every need. It's a seamless blend of technology and lifestyle, creating a living experience that is more comfortable, efficient, safe, and ultimately more human. The smart home of yesterday was about remote control. The autonomous home of tomorrow is about a true partnership with an intelligent entity that is dedicated to enhancing your life. The future is not just at our doorstep. It's waiting to welcome us home. Thank you so much for watching. If you're as excited about the future of living as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. What AI feature would you want most in your home? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.